Hi my lovely peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm at it again. Yes, again my peeps. And today I bring to you, I'm gonna make onion oils essential. Alright, so look at that, all these goody stuff. And you know, onion is good for hair loss, give you lots of hair in a them bald spot. It make it grow damage and split ends. So guys, without no further ado, and you know all of me thing them there, so you see how big it is. This is about maybe a pound of onion, but you can use this color, the purple one, or you can use the white one. Blend it, all right? But guys, today I don't think I'm gonna blend it because it's gonna burn my eye too much. But if you want, you can blend it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this in small pieces, and then I'm gonna add my oil and my olive oil, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Fast video. So guys, my husband gonna help me cut the onion because it's gonna burn my eyes. We're gonna cut it in small pieces. Just like that, guys. So we're gonna cut up the rest of them in small pieces like this, and then I'll come right. Like 1 cup of onion. The onion so big, guys, I left half because it's too much for me right now. All right, I have my coconut oil here. I'm gonna, this about a little bit more than 1 cup of coconut oil. I'm gonna add half of this. I'm gonna add it to my pot, so we just even Steven. All right guys, so I add 1 cup of coconut oil right there. I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. One, 2, 3, and the good virgin olive oil. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair. It's gonna add sheen and volume. All right, the next step, guys, I'm gonna pour my onion in the oil. I'm gonna mix this and I'm gonna fry it out. And there you have it, guys. It's coming to, you want to turn your stove down and let it cook and come back down to oil. Almost done. Can you see the crunchiness of the onions? All right, we're gonna let all this foam or froth, we're gonna let it come down to oil. That means there's no water in it. When this foam is on it, that means there is still water in the onion. They're not like crisp yet, so we're gonna let them get crispy, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. And that's it right there. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna strain it, and we're gonna pour it in. That's it. Don't put your hand in it, guys. It's hot. This is for garbage. We don't need this anymore. I get a little help with holding the phone. So this is the oil. I got a lot from it, guys. It smells nice, not too strong. Put this one side. Ooh, the pan hot. All right, I have my tablespoon here, guys, and I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. All right, here I have my castor oil, cold press. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon. And you know, castor oil is good for hair loss, your bald head, you know, have no hair on your head like my husband, this is good. Or you know, if you lost some hair, if you're a lady and you put some braids in and you need some edges, this is good, castor oil. And it's also good for your skin, soothe the skin as well. So 1 tablespoon. My next secret ingredients is my organic flaxseed oil. You know, flaxseed is a dietary supplement, lot of antioxidants, so this is gonna give you volume, texture, and it's gonna let your hair be more manageable. It's gonna add growth as well, all right, sheen and all of that, good texture. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon as well. If you're making a small amount, then you can add teaspoon. This is my argan hair treatment, so it has argan and castor oil, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon as well. Oh, this smells so good. And the final secret ingredients, this is my tea tree oil, and I'm gonna add about 10 drops to a dozen. Oh gosh. Or you can just pull it up 2 times and put it in it, okay guys? All right. And this tea tree oil, it's good for hair loss, good for your skin. Look at it, it has such a good scent. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good, guys, with the tea tree oil. So that's it, guys. This is my onion oil essential for hair growth, hair loss, those bald spots, if you want full edges, and it's gonna add volume and texture, sheen, good for damage and split ends. I'm gonna cool this down and then I'm gonna bottle it up and then I'm gonna come right. My onion oils essential, good for hair growth, for those bald head, for those bald spots, for those edges. Guys, this add lots of volume, lots of body to your hair. Apply it like in the night and rub it in my scalp, on my hair ends, all over your hair, your roots. And this can also use on your body if you want, because lots of these oils, they're good for your body, good for soften and clean your skin, good for, it's a good body cleanser. When you have, it's also good, guys, for when you have blackhead, whether in your head and or in your face. You can just go ahead and wash your face and clean it, and then you rub this on, leave it for like 15 minutes, or you can leave it for the entire day, because it's going to be a little bit strong in scent, but I tone it down with all these scent on those edges. And also it's good for your brows and your lashes if you want them to grow. All right, all natural remedies. Everything is good for your hair and skin, good for scalp. That's it right there, guys. All right, guys, blessings. Mwah.